Hey everyone, it's Jeff Margreiter here at the Dell Botanic Gardens Nursery. Wanted to highlight another one of the great plants we have here for sale in the nursery as well as online. This is 𝘙𝘿𝘥𝘣𝘬𝘪𝘢 American Gold Rush is the cultivar name, and this was a selection that was selected for a more compact habit. Sometimes the black-eyed Susans can get a little bit leggy, a little bit out of hand, so it has a more compact form. This also has some nice dark green foliage with fuzzier leaves. It still has, like all black-eyed Susans, generally this nice yellow golden ray flowers with the central black disc. It is hardy in zones 3 to 9, so it really can be planted in most all areas of the eastern United States. Plant in full sun. It's a very hardy plant, very disease resistant, has very little problems. And yeah, check this out and all the other plants we have online for sale, and come see us sometime. Thanks.